Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to write a blog with Durable.co. For those who doesn't know, Durable.co is a platform that has several AI tools which can help you manage your business, your website, etc. Here are some of the products that they have. They have a AI website builder. They also have CRM to track of all of your customers in one place. They have invoicing, AI assistants, also AI blog builder. And today we're going to learn how to use the AI blog builder tools. Now, to begin to write your blog or to create your blog, you will have to sign in to dribble.co. Or if you haven't got the account yet, you have to sign up. I already have mine, so I'm just going to go ahead and click sign in. And besides signing in to Durable.co, you will also need to create your website first. I have created mine. As you can see, the name of my website is Clockwork Translations. And to create your blog, you will have to go to the website menu on the left side of your screen. Once you click on website on the left menu, Durable is going to bring you to this page, and this is the page where you can see the overall of your website. There are several sections on the top bar. There are preview, analytic, optimize, domain, and also settings. To start writing our blog, we can go ahead and click on the optimize menu in our top bar, and as you can see, there is already a create your blog option. And now I'm going to go ahead and click view, and what it does is that it gave me a brief explanation of what does my blog actually do. And I'm going to go ahead and click create my website, and as you can see now the AI assistants are going to pop up, and it already have several suggestions on what my blog post could be. It has the benefit of professional translation service for business, 5 tips of choosing the right translation agency, and so on. So, in case you have no idea on what theme you should write first, you can just go ahead and click on some of these examples, and then the AI assistants of Durable are going to write the whole blog for you. I'm going to try and choose one of the suggestion, and this is the one that I choose. I'm choosing 5 tips on choosing the right translation agency. You can see here that the AI made a small mistakes with my title, but it's totally fine. We can just edit it later. But besides that, the AI has already created a whole blog post for me. I think what happened to my title is that the AI accidentally also inputted the written order to be written as my title too. And to change that, I can just go ahead and click setting. But before that, I'm going to show you that you can also regenerate the whole post by clicking on regenerate on the top right of your screen. And what it does is that it's going to change not just the title but also the entire page and the entire content of this blog. If I don't want to change the whole content, I can just go ahead and click settings, and then I can click on the text box of the text that I would like to add or remove. As for now, I would like to remove the written orders of my titles. So I'm just go ahead and I'll highlight all of them, and then I'm going to delete them. Once I'm done with the writing of my title, I can also take a look at the pictures that the AI has generated for me. If I don't like the pictures, I can just go ahead and click regenerate on the top right of my pictures, and then the AI are going to find some more pictures that I can use for my website. I can go ahead and click regenerate as much as I like until I found the picture that I wanted. Once I found the picture that I like, I can go ahead and adjust my pictures. I can change the positions, or also I can change or setting the background overlay. I am quite satisfied with my picture, so I'm just going to go ahead and click save. And here I'm just going to take a quick look around at the content of my blog. I see that there is another mistake that happened where the AI also insert their automatic answer and put it on the content of my blog. And in this sections, I don't really have to click on any other settings. I can just go ahead and highlight on the sentence that I would like to remove, and then I'm just going to delete it from there. To regenerate the pictures on the content of your blog, you can just go ahead and click on the pictures you would like to change and regenerate it just like the first one that I show you. You can also add some more pictures to your blog if you like by clicking enters, and then this pop-up menu are going to show up, and as you can see it gives you the options to add pictures, video or tables. Let's try adding pictures by clicking on the picture symbols. Over here you can upload your own pictures if you like, or you can also ask the AI to regenerate a new pictures for you, and then you can adjust it to however you like. I am going to try and generate a new pictures. And once the pictures is generated, I can also play around with the aspect ratio. They have selections of ratio that I can choose, and I can also adjust the rounded corners. I can adjust it to small, medium, large, or I can just click on the one that goes with my theme. I can also write a caption or a short description of what my pictures is. For example, for now I'm just going to write a dictionary, and then these captions are going to show under the picture that just generated. Now that we know how to insert pictures, let's try to insert a video now. So to insert a video, you can go ahead and copy the video you would like to want to insert into your blog first, because the video that you can insert are just going to be in the form of links. Either it's YouTube or Vimeo links. As you can see, I have inserted a YouTube video link, and what it does is that it's going to show the video so people can just watch the video straight from my blog. Now that I'm done editing my blog, I'm going to go ahead and click save. And what it does is that it's going to save my blog to draft, and I'm going to show you how to publish the blog later. So this is how my blog will look like before I publish it. As you can see, there is a draft writings on the top left of the blog pictures. And before we post that one, I am going to show you how to create another one, but based on the sentence that you are going to type inside of the AI text box. So for now, I'm going to try to ask Durable AI to create a blog about the history of languages. And just like before, it created the whole blog for me along with the pictures and also the content, the writing, everything. When you're making a blog with the help of AI, all you have to do is just input several words, and then you can just check again the content of your blog in case there are some mistakes, just like the one I showed you on the very first example. And this one also have a sentence that I would like to remove, such as this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight it and then click delete on my keyboard. Besides with the pictures and the additional elements inside of your blog, you can also play around with your wordings, and what you can do is that you can highlight on the wordings you would like to adjust or customize, and then a pop-up menu are going to show up. With this pop-up menu, you can choose to bold or italic your sentences, or you can also insert or edit link into your sentences. For example, I have highlight a sentence and I would like to insert a link to it. And what I can do is that I can copy a link from a website that I felt are going to complement the sentence that I just highlight, and then I'm going to paste it into the link box over there. So here I just copied a link from Wikipedia about the history of languages, and what it does is that if anyone click on the underlined sentence, it's going to take them to that Wikipedia webpage. I can also choose whether I want the link to be opened on the current window or it will open a new window. I prefer the link to be open in new window, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that and then click save. To publish your writing directly after you edit or create it, you can go ahead and click settings and then scroll to the very bottom of the setting menu and click on the publish button. And what it's going to do is that it's going to publish your blog directly into your website. So it's not going to be saved just as draft. As you can see, one of the blog that I've written have the writing draft on it while the other one doesn't. Now, if you would like to see how your blogs look like to other people, you can go ahead and click View Website and then click on the blog button on the left side of your screen. And what it does is that it's going to show you how other people will see your website or blog. And here I'm just showing you the sentence that you can click that are going to direct you to the page that I have linked before. And that's how you can create blog with Durable.co. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.